are back at Hannover Messe, and today we're showing you something very, very special. Our collaboration with Audi. We are redefining production with Audi from hardware heavy to software defined. And I'm here with Peter Stechel, and he's going to tell you all about it.
The vision of the industry is a digital factory. In a software-driven factory, you have the laws of software. You can change things fast in an agile way. So the vision of the software-driven factory is a vision which needs the platform which we built together with Siemens. It's a game changer in terms of flexibility, agility, react to changes. It's a revolution. Some of us in our departments on both sides didn't believe we are able to do it. The crucial thing with Siemens is this kind of innovations don't happen overnight. It's hard work for years. So you need a trusted collaboration. Siemens understood our requirements. They shared our vision. They were willing to collaborate transparently and share their expertise with us. So what are the lessons? If you combine this knowledge, this expertise of the hardware world with the expertise of the software world, then you have one key success factor. The other one is technology. Of course, you need to build an industry-level cloud platform. You need to have the right partners, the right technology stack. That's also something what we developed together with Siemens. The next step is convergence. You cannot scale if you don't have convergence. Since I'm 30 years in manufacturing, I've seen so many problems, and I can imagine so many cases in adding value to the shop floor, to manufacturing. Yeah, what we can achieve with convergence. That's it. We could not imagine the level of agility, flexibility, time to market. There's a lot of added value, vertical integration to come. We'll keep you posted on the next steps. These kind of innovations don't happen overnight. You need partners, you need cooperation and co-innovation. This innovation and revolution in manufacturing is the spirit of Technik, bringing people together. This sounds like a standard phrase, but think about people have their mindsets. They have their way of doing things, their experience since decades. And now we come and say, oh no, we do it differently. Not like we did it with hardware, we do it with software. And this change of mindset, bringing people from different realities together, this was crucial.
Thank you, Peter, for sharing how Audi is shaping the next chapter of industrial manufacturing.